together. Second graders, we are working on Math L118, borrowing from the thousands. So you have your spiral review, so you can use these birds to help you write the answers or write the differences. Down here you write the Roman numerals, and here you write the Arabic numerals. Then on the back, we are writing the differences. We're going to be subtracting, and if you notice, there's no boxes on the top anymore. So we're going to start working on subtracting and borrowing without using boxes. So let's talk about borrowing. We already know how to borrow from the tens side. So I start at the top. I have 0 fingers. Take away 8. I can't do it. So I'm going to borrow 1 from my neighbor. And that neighbor, since they gave me 1, they're going to have 2 left. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. We're going to bring down that comma. 6 minus 1 is 5. And if you notice, I'm keeping them nice and neat. They're going to stay in the same columns. Okay, you want to make sure you try to stay inside the same column, and you want to try to write the same size. That will help you. Okay, so we know how to borrow from the tens. What about borrowing from the hundreds? So as always, look at your symbol. 3 minus 1 is 2. Hold up 6 fingers, take away 8. I can't do it, so I'm going to borrow 1 from my neighbor. And since they gave me 1, they're going to have 8 left. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then I'm going to bring down my comma. 6 minus 1 is 5. So when you borrow from the thousands, it's the same idea. It's the same way, it's just the one extra step. So always look at your symbol. We're taking away. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 9, can't do it, so we need to borrow 1 from our neighbor. Our neighbor is going to have 5 left. 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down that comma. 5 minus 2 is 3. So our answer is 3,240. Let's get a little more. Let's get a little bit more, a little more difficult. So look at our symbol. We're taking away. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 0 minus 8, can't do it, so we need to borrow from our neighbor. They're going to have 1 left. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the comma. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is going to be 2,241. So if you've not had a chance, to write the answers, go ahead and pause the video here. Let's start here. So use these words to help you write the differences. So 17 minus 0 is 17. 17 minus 12 is 5. 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay. Now we're writing the Roman numerals. So 500 is D. 50 is L. 100 is C. 20, we have 10, 20. 1,000 is M. Now we're going to write the Arabic numerals. So M is 1,000. Then we have 1029, so 29. C is 100. L is 50. D is 500. All right, now on the back. So look at our symbol. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3, bring down the comma. 1,362. The next one. 10 minus 6 is 4. I could bring down the comma, but 2 minus 2 is 0, and we don't start a number off as 0, so we're going to leave it there, 460. Look at the next symbol. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 11 minus 3 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down your comma. 3,841. Next one. Look at your symbol. 6, 1, 7, 6, comma. 6,663. Next one. 6. 4,655. 2. 6 is 5. And And the last one is 6,523. So remember, always look at the symbol, go from top to bottom. Make sure that if you need to borrow, that you cross out the neighbor that you're borrowing. You borrow 1, and then you take away that neighbor's 1. Have a great day.